Schoolwork can be a significant source of stress for students, impacting their mental health and overall well-being. The pressure to meet deadlines often leads to anxiety and burnout.
Anong section kayo? Nakapagpasa na ba kayo ng mga activities and requirements niyo? Marami pa kayong gagawin. Dami pa natin ito sa module eh. Hindi nyo nang mapitin yun kasi mag-e-end na tayo ng semester. Ano ba yan? Ang dami-dami pa pala natin kailangan gawin. Mr. Masikat. Ito pala yung mga activity na nalimutan ko ibigay sa inyo kanina. Next week na submission yan na kaya waiting nyo. Ito pala yung mga akala natin gawin.
Dami nga ano. Tama lang na yan. Mag-team mo na tayo.
Sometimes, taking a break, stepping away from your daily routine, trying new experience, allowing yourself to relax, and have some fun with your friends are a good coping mechanism for releasing stress.